In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Quora account. Quora is a question and answer platform where you can ask about almost any topic and get answers from people around the world. To start using it, you'll first need to create your own account, and I'll walk you through that process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the main Quora website. When the page loads, you'll land on the sign up and login screen. This is the page where both new and existing users start. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official Quora site and that the page looks like a sign-in or sign-up screen, not an ad or a different service. On this page, you'll see a few different options to create an account. Quora usually lets you sign up with email or continue with a Google or Facebook account. If you want the quickest setup and you're comfortable linking accounts, you can choose Google or Facebook. In this tutorial though, we'll focus on the sign up with email option, since it works for everyone. Go ahead and click on sign up with email. You'll now see a form where Quora asks for a few basic details. Click into the name field and type your full name, or the name you'd like to appear on your profile. This is what other users will see when you ask or answer questions. So choose something you're happy to be identified by. Take care with spelling, because while you can change it later, it's easier to get it right now. Next, click into the email field and enter your email address. Make sure it's an address you have access to because Quora will send a verification code there. Double check that there are no typos. A missing letter or symbol will prevent you from receiving the code. When you've filled in your name and email, click on the Next button. Quora will now send a verification code to the email you just provided. Open a new tab or switch to your email app, look for the message from Quora, and find the code inside. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Return to the Quora page and enter that code into the verification field. This step confirms that you really own the email address you're using. Once you've typed in the code, click Next again. After this, you'll continue to create your account by following the on-screen prompts. Quora may ask you to complete your profile, choose topics you're interested in, or adjust some basic settings. Just continue through these screens, making choices that match your preferences. When you're done, your Quora account will be set up and ready to use.